Leaked CAD renders of the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series are generating a lot of buzz, and with them, details about the pricing are now surfacing. The much-anticipated Pixel 10 lineup is expected to come with a mix of price hikes, price drops, and some stability in terms of cost, which could have a major impact on the flagship smartphone market. First up, let's talk about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. For those who are fans of foldable smartphones, this device may be good news. A new leak reveals that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could see a significant price reduction, with sources indicating that it will retail for around $1,600. This is a $200 price cut for its predecessor, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which retailed for $1,800. If this rumor holds true, it's an exciting shift for foldables, potentially making them more accessible to a larger audience. In addition, there's a suggestion that the Pixel Fold might not be a one-time release, but could become a permanent member of the Pixel lineup, with Google possibly rolling out new foldable models every year, much like the company's flagship phones. If Google continues this trend, it could help foldable phones break into the mainstream, giving the Galaxy Z Fold and other foldables a real run for their money. Additionally, the price of the Pixel Fold is expected to drop further in the coming years, with the device potentially retailing at $1,500 by 2026, marking a $300 decrease over 2 years. However, there's some less than ideal news as well. The Pixel 10 Pro XL, the successor to the Pixel 9 Pro, is expected to come with a price increase of about $100. That means this model could retail at around $1,200, pushing it further away from the base Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro models. For Pixel fans, this could make the decision between these models a little more difficult, especially if the price gap continues to grow. So what can buyers expect from the Pixel 10 series? The base Pixel 10 is rumored to start at $799, the Pixel 10 Pro at $999, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL at $1,200. As mentioned, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could start at around $1,600. When looking at these prices, it's clear that Google is continuing its strategy of offering premium devices at a relatively competitive price, even if the Pro XL will see a bit of a bump. Interestingly, this price shift seems similar to what Apple did with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The Pro Max saw an increase in price partly due to the removal of the 128GB space storage option, which narrowed the gap between the regular iPhone and the Pro versions. If this Pixel 10 price increase is true, Google might be following a similar approach to Apple, pushing a series models. As for the Pixel 10 series itself, it's expected to be unveiled sometime during the summer, and a lot of attention is already on the specifications. The new Pixel 10 phones will be powered by Google's in-house Tensor G5 chip, which could make or break the performance of the devices compared to the competition. In terms of camera upgrades, leaks have already hinted at some exciting new features, although the details are still under wraps. The Pixel 10 series will face tough competition from the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup and the iPhone 16 series, which will likely hit the market around the same time. This year could see some tough decisions for buyers, as these flagship devices will all be vying for the top spot in the market. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.